Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can check Snapchat storage. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are two methods on how you can check your Snapchat storage. So both are pretty simple. What you need to do is just head over to Snapchat first. And yeah, you just got to open it up and you just got to go to your profile like this. And you just need to press on this gear icon on the corner. And right over here, what you need to do is just scroll down a bit until you see the option of My Data. So right over here, we do have the My Data option. I'm just gonna press on it. So right over here, you'll see the option of export memories. So you just gotta go ahead and press on export memories. And right over here, it will show you your storage. If it's, below 2 GB or, maybe 3 GB, it will show right over here. If it's, more, then it won't show like that. But you can just, press next if you want to export your memories, and then, just, all time, and then confirm your email address, and it can send your data to your email address like this. But if you actually want to check how much storage Snapchat is checking off, and the second method is just simply going to your storage, and by your settings, and then general and storage. And right over here, you just gotta wait until you find Snapchat right over here. So you just gotta show all apps, and yeah, it's in the hidden. So here we go. It says 9 GB, so almost 10 GB. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out.